In the world of wellness and nutrition, knowledge is power. But it's crucial to remember that the content provided on the Nourishment Hut YouTube channel is intended for informational and educational purposes only. It's not a substitute for professional medical advice, nutritional advice, fitness advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Our aim is to inspire you to take charge of your health, but we strongly recommend that you always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. The Nourishment Hut encourages you to use the information provided as a starting point for your research and discussions with healthcare professionals. Remember, individual health needs may vary, and personalized guidance from a qualified medical expert is essential for making informed decisions about your health and well-being. By accessing and using the content on the Nourishment Hut YouTube channel, you acknowledge and agree to the terms of this medical disclaimer. So, let's embark on this journey of nourishment and wellness, but remember to do so responsibly. Now, let's dive into the world of immunity and superfoods. Ever pondered the invisible shield protecting you from all the germs and viruses around you? That's your immune system. It's a powerful, intricate network, tirelessly working to keep you healthy. But how do we keep this protective shield robust and strong? With superfoods, of course. Let's dive into the world of superfoods, those nutrient-dense powerhouses that can rev up our immune system. First up, citrus fruits. Bursting with vitamin C, these tangy delights stimulate the production of white blood cells, our body's first line of defense. Then we have red bell peppers, which surprisingly contain twice the vitamin C of citrus fruits. Next, the humble broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, and a good dose of fiber. Garlic, a staple in kitchens worldwide, not only adds a punch to our dishes, but also boosts our immune system with its concentration of sulfur-containing compounds. The spicy, yet soothing ginger can help decrease inflammation, while spinach, packed with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, enhances our immune system's ability to fight infections. Our list wouldn't be complete without yogurt, a probiotic, rich food that promotes gut health. Almonds, with their vitamin E content, are crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system. Turmeric, with its high curcumin content, has strong anti-inflammatory effects. Green tea, full of flavonoids and antioxidants, supports immune function. Papaya and kiwi, tropical delights, are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Finally, poultry, rich in vitamin B6, plays a vital role in the formation of new and healthy red blood cells. Isn't it amazing how these everyday foods can be your immune system's best friend? Let's take a quick trip back through the superfood lane. We've explored an array of power-packed foods, from the antioxidant-rich berries and leafy greens to the mighty nuts and seeds. And let's not forget the probiotic-filled yogurt. Each one plays a vital role in strengthening your immunity, helping you fend off diseases. It's time to make these your daily companions. Remember, your immune system is your body's superhero, and these superfoods, they're the sidekicks it needs. So, include these in your diet and let your immune system do its magic. Thank you for joining us today at the Nourishment Hut. Please remember to share, like, and comment on our video. Have a wonderful day.